Okay, let's talk yearly reviews. I know. Just the thought of them might make you want to hide under your desk. But hold on. These meetings are your secret weapon. Think of them like this. Your yearly review is a power hour dedicated to you and your career growth. It's a chance to reflect on your wins, identify areas for improvement, and map out your future like the total rock star you are. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Because that's what we're about to do. Let's dive in. Remember, this is your moment to shine, to showcase your achievements, and to set new goals. Use this time wisely to communicate your aspirations and seek feedback. Embrace the opportunity to grow and advance in your career. Together we can make this year your best one yet. Let's get started. First impressions matter. They can set the tone for the entire meeting and influence how your manager perceives you, especially in a yearly review where your performance and future opportunities are on the line. Walking into that room prepared shows your manager you're invested and proactive. It demonstrates that you take your role seriously and are ready to discuss your contributions. Here are my top do's and don'ts to rock your next review. Follow these tips to make a lasting impression. Come prepared. Review your accomplishments, projects, and any feedback you've received throughout the year. This will help you highlight your successes and areas for improvement. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve in the coming year? Be specific. Outline your objectives clearly so your manager understands your vision. Be open and honest. This is your time to share your thoughts and ask for what you need. Transparency builds trust and shows you're committed to your growth. Wing it. Going in unprepared sends the message that you don't care. It can undermine your credibility and affect your future opportunities. Be negative. Focus on solutions, not problems. Highlighting positive outcomes and potential improvements shows you're solution-oriented. Be afraid to negotiate. This is your chance to advocate for yourself. Don't shy away from discussing your career aspirations and what you need to achieve them. Don't be afraid to ask for that raise or promotion. Remember, preparation is key. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. It shows you're serious about your career and ready to take on new challenges. What are you going to focus on in your next review? Plan ahead and set yourself up for success. All right, you're prepped and ready. You've done your homework, gathered your thoughts, and now it's showtime. Now it's time for the main event, the discussion. This is where your preparation meets opportunity. Here's how to make it count. Be an active listener. Engage fully with what is being said. Really hear what your manager is saying, both the good and the constructive feedback. Ask clarifying questions. Don't be afraid to ask for more information or examples. This shows you are engaged and eager to understand. Stay positive and solution-oriented. Focus on finding ways to improve and grow. If there are areas for improvement, approach them with a can-do attitude. Show that you are ready to tackle challenges head-on. Remember, this isn't a one-way street. It's a dialogue. Both parties should feel heard and valued. Section 4. Bumps in the road. Overcoming common challenges. Let's be real. Not every review is going to be sunshine and roses. You might face some challenges. But guess what? That's okay. What if you get negative feedback? Don't shut down. See it as an opportunity for growth. Ask for specific examples and create a plan to address the issue. Remember, setbacks are simply setups for comebacks. Section 5. Level up your game. Continuous self-improvement for career success. Yearly reviews are important, but real growth happens every single day. Make self-improvement a habit. Take courses, attend workshops, read industry blogs, and connect with mentors. Never stop learning and evolving. Are you ready to commit to your growth? The world needs your brilliance. Welcome to the final section of our video, Your Yearly Review FAQ. Q1. What is the purpose of a yearly review meeting? A1. The purpose is to evaluate performance, set goals, and discuss career development. Q2. How should you prepare for a yearly review meeting? A2. Review your achievements, gather feedback, and set personal goals. Q3. What are common mistakes to avoid during a yearly review? A3. Avoid being defensive, unprepared, or overly critical of yourself or others. Q4. How can you effectively discuss your career goals? A4. Be clear, realistic, and align your goals with the company's objectives. Q5. What should you do after the yearly review meeting? A5. Follow up on action items, seek feedback, and continuously work on self-improvement. Thank you for watching. Remember, mastering your yearly review is a continuous journey of growth and development. Keep striving for excellence, and see you in the next video.